Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent these wonderful set of pool hooks. This can be used for an in-ground or as we've got an above-ground pool. You can actually use these optional mounts through here and mount this directly on the top rail of your pool if you want to. In our case, we've got a deck, and since this goes up to 4.33 inches extension, I'm going to go ahead and do it without that. Top part of this loosens and allows this adjustable to slide anywhere down from a couple inches all the way out. And we're just going to go ahead and put this over the top rail here and adjust it in where it needs to be, and then just tighten down the top. There's no tools required, nothing that needs to get screwed in, and that'll stabilize that on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing wherever else that you're going to need to put it, and go ahead and crank that down. And that's going to provide us with a couple of nice areas to hang things like our pool equipment. So you actually have the ability to now go ahead and hang pool equipment, two different levels on the side, or if you're going to hang things like life preservers and things like that to get them off your pool deck. This really helps declutter everything and provides a nice, convenient way for a no-drill option that you can maneuver around to store your pool supplies.